Let's get into the sandbox explanation. And this is a really easy, but I think beneficial, and it may be something you want to hang on to for later reference. But this sandbox is, I call it error Pokemon. Why? Because I want you to catch them all. These go through all of the most common errors that are produced in Python programs. And these snippets of code here will, if you copy and paste them into your code editor, my bad, copy and paste them, and you just run those, it will produce that type of error. So what I want you to see is what kinds of code situations are producing what kinds of errors. And that allows you to use those named error messages to produce more efficient code that has more exact feedback for your users. So again, this might be a page that you want to hang on to because it gives you an example of what kind of code produces what kind of error. So all I want you to do here is just go through and run these different types of code and observe what happens and observe the errors that come from those things.